everyone, I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making keto iced coffee. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so as you can tell by my shirt, we're going to be making another coffee drink today. If you haven't seen it already, make sure to check out my coffee protein shake video. I'll make sure to link that somewhere on the screen or down below in the description box. So today, all you're going to need for this recipe is some vanilla extract, some cold coffee. Like I said in my other video, you can just brew some hot and then put it in the fridge until it cools off a bit, because we are going to be using ice, and if you just put hot coffee in there, you're just going to water everything down once the ice melts. Then you're just going to need some cinnamon and some heavy cream. So that's why this is keto. So all you're going to do is just add the ingredients in one by one, mix it up, and then you're literally done. Okay, so then after the vanilla extract, you're just going to want to add some of your heavy whipping cream. This is going to make it super, super thick. And then for your iced coffee, or your coffee, this is your personal preference, but I do recommend making your coffee a little bit stronger, as the other ingredients and your ice are definitely going to water it down a bit and make it less strong. And we're just going to add a little bit of cinnamon. Well, I like a lot of cinnamon. So then we're just going to mix this on all up and then pour it over a glass with ice, and then we're ready to taste it. Okay, so now we're all done and we're poured over our ice. And as you can see at the bottom of the blender, it just kind of foams up nicely a little bit for us. I didn't add anything else or do anything to that. It's just a nice finishing touch. So now it's time to try some. So good, you guys. Now you can, if you want to, go ahead and sweeten this with something. Maybe you want some honey, maybe you want some sugar. I like it just like this, but that's just completely up to you. Okay, well that's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. Now don't forget to give me your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, delicious recipes just like this one, and healthy food recommendations, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.